So for all you villa agents, I kind of want to share a few of my little tips and tricks that you can do if you get the opportunity to stage your client's home. I think it's really important that it shows that you care, that you are committed, and you're 100% in, and you want to see the result as that the property is sold. So it is helpful to make some recommendations, and there's a nice way about doing it as well. But I'm going to take you through a vacant home that I had, and I asked my client if I could stage it. Now keep in mind, I am certified in home staging. I took an online course, but over the years, I have kind of learned some tricks that I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to take you in through the back, which is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see here, we've got a beautiful deck and a very large backyard. When you come in, you get to see the kitchen. Okay, so the first tip is hanging curtains. Now, I don't always hang curtains in a house, but this one I needed to because of, I knew it would accentuate the home and have a dramatic effect. So on this one, I found these, it's called wick hanging curtain rods. You can get the rods or the hooks, and they just sit right on top of the wood trim. You don't even have to touch the walls. And there's two little nails that you just hammer in, and when I'm all done, I can hammer it right out, and off I go and take them with me for the next project. Very cool. I will share the link below. So the reason why I chose to do curtains here is kind of hard because the sun's coming in and my lighting's a little off, but it has a dramatic effect because you can see the house from front to back in one location, and it is very long and it just has a dramatic feel. So I wanted to put the curtains up. I didn't choose to do 2 panels for every window. I didn't think it was necessary, so I took 2 panels and just did one on either side to, so you can see, to shape the dining room area, and the same thing with the living room area here. I got this sofa from Wayfair for $243. Went to Home Goods, got a cute pillow. This one here is a barn door that I cut and stained. Went to Amazon, got a few legs, and installed them underneath. So you can really have fun with it if you like to do staging. And here, this is where the TV goes, but you don't necessarily have to have a TV. You just have to show with a picture what size TV would go here, and obviously you can go a little bigger. And I put the table because usually that would be your TV table. So you don't have to have the exact piece, but you need to show that how you would lay out the room, that TV would go here. So I wanted to mention this kitchen set. You know, when you are staging and there's pieces that you may not have in your arsenal, sometimes you have to go and get it. So you got to do it under a budget because you want to be making profit when you are staging. But this particular set was a friend of mine. She found it at a estate sale for $40. She took it home, she painted it, and I absolutely loved it. So I told her, I said, could I rent that from you? So she allowed me to rent it for a couple of months for the job, and it works perfectly in this home. The pieces that I have here in this house, I've either made or purchased either at Wayfair, Home Goods, pretty much those 2 places. I just love, or Josh and Mean at times. So, and a lot of these are pieces that I have in my home or extra accessories. So I have a big garage where I keep most of my accessories for staging. And the furniture pieces, well, sometimes my husband comes home and finds things missing. That's all I'm gonna say about that. So here's the master on the 2nd floor. And I wanted to show you this because this was really simple. Over here I have purchased on Wayfair, as you can see, a bed frame. It folds in half. They came to my door, they were easy, they fit in the car. It's amazing. These are two twin. So when I put them together, it made a king size, obviously air mattresses, because we don't want to be carrying around box springs and real mattresses. And this is just a king size bedding. And I decided to take another old barn door and paint it black and make it a headboard. And here's a little trick with this one. It's just a door, and I have it resting right on top of the bed frame. I love doing bathrooms. They're easy, they're quick, and they're such a great transformation. Just a little touch. I decided to go pink here because there was pink in the master bedroom comforter. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I do have to run, but before I go, I just wanted to say, please reach out, call, or message me anytime if you have a question. If you would like to dabble into this field of staging, it definitely enhances your real estate because you are 100% invested. So when you're invested in your listing and you want to see it sold quickly for the most amount of money, staging does help, because I find that it helps with negative things in the home. If you can camouflage something that might be an eyesore, because a lot of people can't look through odd things that are not normal. And some of these older homes, their layouts are a little bit different. But anyway, it will enhance the positive, it will hide the negative, and it will be a win overall. So have a great day, and I'll see you next time.